To deactivate a subscription from a computer, you can do this in PowerPoint. Click DataPoint and then the About button. There, click the Deactivate button. Start by clicking Next and Next again for a deactivation over the internet. Deactivate now by clicking Next again. Your subscription is now deactivated and can be used on any other computer. You can also deactivate the subscription via our website. Click My Account, then API Keys, and locate your subscription. You see that this is in use. Click the Delete button to deactivate, and you will see 0 out of 1 to confirm that it was deactivated.